It's really windy here today, by the way, so I'm hoping this fluffy thing on top of the camera is doing its job. I posted a video the other day and I said that my RS had a bit of an idling issue, and people started getting me a bit worried. I'm really struggling to get my words out for this video. Let me just explain it like this. So my car's has an intermittent idling issue, so sometimes it just sounds a bit rough. The rest of the time it's absolutely fine. And somebody said that if it's this bigger issue, then potentially you'll find that the coolant level has dropped quite a lot, or might be even empty. So check the coolant level. So yesterday I checked the coolant level and it had me a bit worried. Now, the reason I've got my car back, but I don't actually know what the issue is, or if there was an issue, was that I left it with the garage last week, and then I went to England, and then I came back. The mechanic who worked on the car isn't there till Thursday. It's Wednesday today, so I won't know until tomorrow if he found anything, whether he's decided anything or what, because no one else at the Ford garage actually knows what's going on. So I have to wait till tomorrow, and sort of like a bit of an anxious wait for it's been since yesterday. I'm like, what the hell is going on with this car? So I'll just show you anyway my coolant level, and this is why I was a bit concerned with it. Right, so we've got our coolant reservoir there. Now, don't know if you can see it on the camera. Max level is here, min level is here, but the coolant level is right down there. So it's gone down quite a lot, which is the worrying thing. It's a lot stiffer than it looks. Jesus, I can't even open it. Right, nobody cares about that anyway. That was the most unsuccessful opening of a coolant fluid reservoir ever. I'm going to start the car. I'm going to put you down over here on the floor, and then we'll just see whether it makes a funny noise or not. But it's intermittent, like I said, so it doesn't always happen. Wasn't so bad this time. Which means that we're going to have to wait until tomorrow to know if there's anything actually wrong with the car. I'm going to leave the coolant fluid level as it is. I want the mechanic to see how much has actually gone down, and then we'll just see what he says. But I'm hoping it's nothing sinister. I'm hoping it's just something else, because I've actually got a track day on Sunday booked, and I was going to take the car around. It's the same track I went last time, and what I wanted to do was see what lap time I could do with these new tyres. These are the Cup 2 tyres compared to my previous lap time with the other tyres. Hopefully I'll be able to go, and hopefully it won't be an issue. The car does seem to be running fine most of the time. I haven't got an issue with it at all. It's just that startup thing and the low coolant level was a bit worrying. So anyway, like everything with my vlog, I like to keep you up to date with what's going on, the good and the bad. So hopefully this isn't as bad as we think it might be. I'm off for a coffee now. I'm desperate for a coffee. I've had horrendous sleep with this wind last night, so just need to wake up a bit. See you tomorrow. It was really bad weather.